Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Some of you might know me as Food Lover Asian. You can also follow me on my Instagram under the same name, Food Lover Asian. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make bread. Yes, my kind of bread. It is so delicious. And I hope you watch this video until the end and to see how easy it is to make it. And I'm going to show you step by step how to make it. So if you have not, please subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and also leave the comment down below. Well, let's bake. I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, I guess we are ready here. So these are the 4 ingredients. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. Trust me, super easy. And this lukewarm water, you want to combine 1.5 cup of hot water and 1.5 cup of the cold water together. And in the large mixing bowl, let's put all the dry ingredients first. The flour, the yeast, and the salt. And using any spoon or spatula, you just want to make sure that all the ingredients mix together. Take your time, no need to rush, because this is going to be super easy and simple. And then we want to combine the water, and let's pour the water into the bowl little by little. So you just want to make sure that everything get combined together. After that, you want to mix the dough until it is well combined together. When everything's well combined, we need to cover the bowl with a dry clean towel or just using this plastic wrap and set the dough aside to rise for at least 1 hour or until doubled in size. And make sure you want to put this bowl in a warm area. This is where the gluten formation is going to happen. And also, this is one of the trick to make sure the bread will rise big and soft inside after it bakes. It will be amazing. Trust me on this. Okay, so after 1 hour and the dough has risen, flour your hands very well. And also you want to sprinkle flour on the surface where you want to put the dough on. And also make sure that you have enough of flours all over your hand. Otherwise, it might get super sticky. I think I have enough flours in my hands right now. So I will try to gently remove the dough from this bowl. And I will try to open this plastic very careful too. Well, this way, so there's no air around the dough and it will not create any bubbles. Look at this prettiness. So nice. And then we want to place the dough gently on the surface. Make sure that we have enough flour at the bottom. On this recipe, I just want to use half of the dough, so I need to cut the dough into half and keep the other half on the side. So this dough is pretty much done and ready to be baked. You can shape it into a ball or square or however you want it. But I'm trying to be a little bit creative here. I got my roller on here and trying to shape this dough because I want to put some filling into the bread. You can shape it as however you want it.
I like it this way because it's easier to spread and put any fillings you want to. So here I spread some of the olive oil around it so it'll be easier, so it will not be too sticky. I have about 3/4 cups of thyme. I love these herbs. It is very green and aromatic. And you know, it has this woody flavor. It is just perfect for this type of bread. You want to also make sure to cover all these nice herbs into the bread. So any way you want it, I like to roll it this way, but you don't have to follow me if you have another kind of way. But you want to make sure that you cover this and also make a twirl and swirl around the bread to make it a little pretty. Well, since I'm the beginner, you know, I'm still learning how to make it prettier than this, but this is the best I can do right now. When you're done, you want to put it into a parchment paper and you want to cover with a towel for another 30 minutes. Let's get the oven speed up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit right now. We also need 2 cups of water to heat, and we also need to put in the bottom rack in the oven. And once the dough is ready, and carefully put the dough in the middle rack and close the oven tight, and we will bake for about 35 minutes. Okay, 35 minutes pass and I think it is the time. Look at this, it is done finally. Wow, wow. It looks fabulous and perfection. It is a great size too. Perfect loaves, perfect size of loaf. It turned out beautifully actually. This recipe is amazing. I love me some fresh bread. Yes. Wow, I am so happy. I never thought I could make such a thing before. And now, the moment of truth. Let me cut this bread and see the result. Okay, I am super excited. Oh, okay. Look, 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 look. Wow! You can see the freshness and the softness of the bread. The smoke is still coming out and oozes out. Perfection. Okay, I keep saying this recipe is amazing, but the bread is so delicious. Airy and soft on the inside, with a glossy crust that's shattered when you cut into it. I love the crispiness, the crust, and the soft crumb. And when you spread the butter on the bread, oh my God, I am speechless. All I can say is, well, I need to eat this. And also, the flavor from the thyme and the herbs add extra on the whole experience. You gotta try it to believe it. It's just so good.
Well, guys, I'm sorry. I just cannot share this bread with you. You have to make your own. It is so damn good that this bread will be gone by the next hour or so. So if I were you, get onto the store, get all the ingredients. Maybe some of you already have it at home. So I'm gonna enjoy this bread after this video and hope you will try to make it your own. And leave the comment down below and tell me if it works for you or not, okay? So again, thank you for watching my video until the end. I really appreciate all your support. Until the next video, sampai jumpa lagi. Thank you so much. Bye.